Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Roborock. This is the Qrevo Master. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, identify where the reset button is. Also get familiar with the power button and the home button. You'll also need a small tool like a SIM removal tool or a paper clip to be able to press that reset button. So what we have to do is we have to hold down the home button and press the reset button. And we're going to keep holding down the home button until we see the lights. They'll go off, both of them, then they'll come back on. Then we can go ahead, we can let go. So let's reset it right now. Just pressed everything. We let go of the reset button. It's blinking. We'll let go of the
Restoring factory settings. This will take about 5 minutes.
Restoring factory settings. This will take about 5 minutes. That's it. Simple and straightforward. That's how you're going to reset your Roborock Qrevo Master. Thanks for watching.